Oh, a little turtle. Just saw a little turtle right there go in the water. Look at this little fishing spot, boys. Oh my God, I almost dropped my phone in the freaking river. That would have sucked. What's going on, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we are going to be taking our first drive with the 2019 Canam Renegade 1000Xmr. Now, you guys know I bought this thing a few weeks ago, but I haven't drove it because I've been putting parts on. You guys seen the last video, we put the halos on here from Far Mudding. And then the video before that, we put our HMF exhaust, dual blacked out exhaust. That thing looks really good. We also got the fuel tuner alongside with it, and the bike is running great. We've took it up and down the street a few times just to keep everything good over the last few weeks when I knew I wasn't going to be driving it far, because I wanted to keep everything clean. I wanted that exhaust to be easy to take off, and we just did that exhaust yesterday. And today we're going to be taking her on our maiden voyage. We got the Defender already backed out of the house. That thing, couldn't be more excited about the stuff we have coming for that. Oh my gosh, stay tuned. This thing is going to be a nice, it already is a nice machine, but it's going to be even a nicer machine here very soon. But we just backed it out. By the way, Mega Cab Cummins running great. 19 Platinum's running awesome as well. Couldn't be happier with those trucks. Just a little truck update. Also, the 32 Assassinators will be going on the Renegade here very soon. You guys seen these in the last video. They'll be going on here very soon. We just want to kind of get a few hours with the stock tires on here, just try to break the engine in a little bit. We're going to actually go down to a creek that I've been fishing a lot here lately. And we're going to go down to a creek, see if we can see any fish, and maybe even bring my fishing pole down there with a side-by-side, do a little bit of fishing. And if the creek looks high and it looks like there's some fish in there, maybe not trees all in there, you know how lines get tangled up and stuff. So if it looks like a good little fishing spot, we may take the fishing pole down, take the Lone Star Defender down there, make a little fishing vlog. So make sure you guys are commenting down below. Let me know if that would be something that would interest you. I'm a terrible fisherman. I'm not going to act like I'm such a good fisherman, but I love to fish. Just like I love to barbecue. I'm terrible at barbecuing, but I love to do it. So let me know if that'd be something you'd be interested in. But make sure you're dropping a like on the video. If you're new, subscribe, and we will jump right into it. We'll give you guys a startup video, and then we'll head on down to the creek to check it out. Alrighty guys, so I'm already realizing I just drove down the street, but I definitely got to get a better way of carrying camera equipment when I'm without the side-by-side. I got to get some sort of rack or some box back here, because like a bungee cord, yeah, it's tight, I got it secured, but I just don't trust this. I'm actually going to loop it one more time. It's not even that tight, but I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Anyway, I got the app open right now on the halos. I think I'm gonna rock the, let's see, just rock the clean blue. I think the blue, the red, the gold, I think that looks pretty sweet. This isn't the creek I was talking about. This the one I'm talking about, it's a little, I don't know, I guess it's around the same size. I said river earlier, but I meant creek. It's a, I tried to talk a minute ago. I don't know if you guys could hear me because this exhaust with this recording setup with this microphone, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me or not. It's pretty loud. I don't know how the mic's doing. I got it stuffed inside my camera, so hopefully it's doing all right. But this one, we can't fish, obviously. I mean, we could, especially the other side. I'll show you. The other side's not too bad. I actually came out here and tried to cast a couple times, but I kept getting my line tangled up in all these trees. And I know you could fish it, and I did fish it. I just didn't catch anything. There's just, you can't tell it because it's so dirty right now, but there's a lot of limbs and trees, and just obviously no one keeps up with this land out here. So it just, you put your line in, and then it just gets tangled up in just about anything. But yeah, just wanted to see what this one was looking like today. It's a lot deeper than it was the other day when I tried to come out here and fish it. But dang, that exhaust does sound good. Sounds really, really good. I'm really happy with it. The whole bike looks good. I may even take a picture for my next video right here. Maybe even this video for the thumbnail. Damn. Also follow the Snapchat, guys, because I'm about to put this on Snapchat. Go What the Duck, do some wheelies. Gotta break it in first. Greg Millie, laughing emoji. I just told them I was about to take this thing out on a drive. So this is another spot. This again ain't the creek I'm talking about, but I don't know, same concept. I don't know if it's gonna show up in camera, but it's actually not too bad. Probably could actually fish this spot. Yeah, this actually might be a good little spot to throw a line or two. I don't know how deep it is. The last time I came out here, it was about the same height, so. But I will say, turn this thing off here for a second so I can update you guys. So the first 10 minutes, we'll let that radiator fan calm down for a second, but for the first 10 minutes of a drive, what I will say about this thing, and I'm not gonna comment when it comes to performance and speed yet, I'm just not gonna do it because we obviously need to break it in, put the performance key on, and you know, put it to the test. We haven't done that yet. But what I will say, handling of course is going to turn better than my Outlander 1000 because that thing was stretched out. So handling is a little bit better, I'd say, in this thing. But the bumps on these dirt roads, these little ruts, you know, where the rains washed it out or whatnot, that affects this one. I knew it would affect it more than my Outlander because the Outlander's heavier, it's longer, it's wider, I think. But it's jacking it around more than I thought it would. And the Outlander just seemed to, now the suspension setup is great. It's cushiony, I don't feel the bumps, but the handlebars, when I hit the ruts in the road at say 45 miles an hour, which is where it maxed out on the learner's key. The learner's key only goes up to 45 miles an hour. So I'm maxing that thing out, and say I hit a rut, and I see it obviously coming, but I'm just trying to test the bike out. It affects the steering a lot more than it did on the Outlander. That's all I'm saying on that. But as far as the handling goes, I feel like it's handling better than the Outlander did. Performance-wise, again, not going to comment on it, but so far in the learner's key, it's impressed me. It's sounded good. It's performed well. And this is the second little creek out of the 3 or 4. We may even hit up a 4th one, but this is about the halfway point right now. So we'll turn this bad boy back on and continue to head that way. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. This would be a great time to smash that like button if you are, and give you guys a little startup. First, got to put it in neutral. Bam. Good old boys are having a good time out here with the ultras though. Both sides, they probably out here fishing or something. I want to see this side real quick. I didn't even think about coming to this side. Oh, a little turtle. Just saw a little turtle right there go in the water. I was about to say, I thought that was a little gator. I was like, oh my gosh. I know they're around here, but I didn't expect one to be under this bridge. Yep, other than that turtle, I don't see anything else other than like some small minnows. I don't see any fish. And you guys think I'm crazy that I don't live like in Alabama or in the South, but yeah, there can be some good sized fish in some little creeks like this. So if you guys are thinking I'm crazy for looking for fish in something like this, then you may not be from around here, but there are some good sized fish in these little creeks. So we'll get back on the Can-Am and head to the third one. All right, so last time I came down this road, right, I almost got eaten by a freaking dog. It was right down there. It was on, I think, a little trailer or a little house on the right-hand side, and it was a white dog. I can't remember what kind of dog it was, but the thing literally almost bit my leg right here, and it was like, oh my God. So hopefully that dog's either in the house or in the backyard. See that third gen back there? The house is up there I'm talking about. Is that a third gen dually on semi wheels? Boys, that is a third gen 5.9 dually on semi Alcoas, it looks like, with a 5-inch exhaust. That is a man's truck right there. That is a nice looking truck. And it looks to be a sport model too. It's got color matched bumpers all around it. That's a nice looking truck. Anyway, let's hopefully not get my leg bit off. Tilty around corners too. It kind of wants to tilt more even at low speeds around these corners, which is kind of interesting. I gotta kind of get used to this. I feel like it's a little shorter with the same power, so it's gonna take some time, I think, to get used to. Maybe you know, 2 or 3 drives, and I should get used to as far as feeling those corners out and being able to drift around corners, and we'll get it. We'll get it. Look at this little fishing spot, boys. Oh my God, I almost dropped my phone in the freaking river. That would have sucked. Oh my God, I got it in my sliding shorts because I don't want it to fall out of my pockets. But oh my gosh, I'm about to take it off and put it right there. Good Lord, I almost lost my phone. I'd have been going to the store, boys, because I don't think I'd be taking a dip down there. That boy would have been lost. If that would have fell in there, I'd have not been able to find it. But anyway, yeah, see, I could just cast right here, do a little fishing. If you guys think that you'd be interested in that, let me know. I'm trying to look. Could even stand down there, maybe. There's gotta be some pretty good sized fish. I don't know. 3-4 pound fish. We get a little size. Just for fun. Just for fun. This is right down the road from the house, so it'd be pretty convenient just to come over here and cast a little bit. Check out this side. Probably some good sized fish on this side too. Look, there's some fishing line right here. Actually, that's actually, somebody's got a line in the water right there. Look at that. It's rusted out. It's got no bait on it, but somebody's got this thing set up to catch some dinner. Oh, look. He's got another one right here. Oh, spider. It's got them all lined up right here. Yeah, there's another spot right there, another one. I wonder what kind of fish he's catching right there. That's a pretty good size hook, so he's got to be catching something decent out here. Looks like there's a bank right there. Maybe somebody can walk down and just fish right there on that bank, so we're not on the bridge. But with that said, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Very happy with the first drive with the 2019 Can-Am. It's performed great. So we'll get this thing broke in, get the new tires on, make some more videos for you guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you think we should go fishing out here with the Defender and some fishing gear. See if we can catch some decent sized fish. Man, I'm liking the way that HMF exhaust looks back here too. It looks freaking great, guys. Also, the halos are looking good. We got them hooked up to the 12-volt cigarette lighter though, so they don't have power unless the bike's on. So that's one thing about them, but they look freaking great. The bike looks great, it's performing great, and couldn't be happier with it. So smash the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you're new, you're subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.